Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Loft Tool. After I had created a square here, a 3x3 square, I'm going to go ahead and loft that up to a smaller square that's about 0.5. So here's the Loft Tool right here, but before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and create a new plane in which I can loft it up to. So the way I'm going to do that is, if you look at Origin here, you can actually see these extra planes. And since I'm going to want it on my XY plane as well, I'm going to go ahead and click on plane. I'm going to offset from the plane, and I'm going to choose my XY. Here it's going to give me the value of what I want to offset it to. So let's say we want the height to be 3. So I'm going to say 3. I'm just going to say OK. This has now created a plane, and so now I can sketch on that plane. So I'm going to go ahead and create another sketch on this plane. And so see, it's kind of lined up here, and I'm not going to do any dimensions or anything too fancy. So if I go ahead and create a 0.5 by 0.5 square right there, and I finish it, you can see I have two different drawings on two different planes. And so I'm going to loft this rectangle right here up to this rectangle right here. Notice this is the shape it's going to create. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm done with my loft.